Hi folks and modelers, I'm back again, and this time I'm gonna be working on this kit here. So it's gonna be a bit different from my previous ship builds. This is something small and easy, and I thought I do this before I work on maybe another ship, which is gonna take me some time. So what I have here is a Dragon's Boeing B-52H Stratofortress, and this is it's a 1/200 scale. So I got this kit from somebody who posted on Facebook, and I think he didn't want it, so I bought it from him like really cheap. So if I convert it, it's probably about $7. So I'll just run through the box here. On the box you can see there is some photos on the side here, and I think this kit has been sitting in somebody's stash for a very long time. And it says here that this kit, it is a 1988, so it's been around for like 30 over years. The condition is not, I think you can see the box is quite old. So I've already taken out from the plastics and plastic bag and washed it. So this is the instruction manual. I think this is gonna be a really simple kit. Probably less than 100 parts. This is the color guide. Coloring might be a bit challenging because it's a small scale. And these are all the parts that comes with the kit. And again here it says 1988. So this is a kit from the 80s. So I'll just run through some parts with you. There's 2 sprues on the engines, and there's some kind of a missile given here. And then there's the tail, and this is the fuselage. And for an old kit, it has recessed panel lines, so not so bad. It's not like a raised panel line. I've already washed this. It was a bit dirty, but I think you can see that the plastic's a bit, maybe discolored. And this will be the wings, fuselage. And if I look at this wing, not sure if you can see, but it looks a bit warped. So if I cut this out, I'm not sure if I'm gonna have trouble. It's already sagging this way, but maybe when I stick this on the bottom side, it could straighten out the wings. But we'll see how it goes. And this is just the canopy. I think that's it for the parts. It's a really easy model, I think. And this is the decal, and it's already yellowish. It's been 30 years. I hope when I put it in the water it will come out nicely, otherwise I won't get to put this on the model. But old decals are always a problem because it doesn't come off from the paper nicely, or it breaks, and then it doesn't stick nicely to the plastics. So I think a few pieces came off, and the box is like really dirty. So this is all the parts there is for this. I don't think I will take so long to assemble this and maybe paint it. So for the review, I think this is it. It's a really short video, but I'll come back once I've completed it, maybe halfway or even completed it, complete everything. So until my next update, if you're interested to follow, you can just stay tuned, and I'll come back with more videos on this. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon. Bye.